Hey everyone, my name is Kushi and this video is presented to you by Amog Buildtech. Today I am present here in south of Gurgaon, a location that not many people are talking about even till now. We are going to explore in this video a low-rise development spread across 11 acres coming up by Mayfair developers in Sector 5 south of Gurgaon. Be thinking, what's so special about this location? Well, it's the peace, the planning and the long-term potential growth this location has to offer you. So if you are someone who looks beyond the hype and focuses on location, future growth and smart real estate investment, this video is going to be very useful for you. So now let's explore this masterpiece in Sector 5 south of Gurgaon and try to understand why this micro market is going to become a very smart real estate destination. Now coming to the project, this whole development is spread across 11 acres and they're only coming up with 612 exclusive units, which honestly is a big relief because you don't get that boxed in or overcrowded vibe which we usually get in many other projects. Now talking about the sizes, they start from 1227 square feet and go up to 1610 square feet. I've personally seen the layout and the homes are actually spacious. These are not just your compact layouts where half the space just disappears. You will genuinely get that breathing room here. One thing that really stood out for me is the clubhouse. It's around 30,000 square feet, which is not at all common in a low-rise project. It's only usual in premium and high-rise developments. Inside you have everything: a banquet hall, cafeteria, indoor gym, indoor games, and even guest rooms for the visitors. For families, this is a big plus. And when it comes to the outdoor amenities, they have gone all out. You get multiple swimming pools, including an Olympic-sized pool and a separate pool for the kids. Plus, there are tennis courts, basketball area, badminton, and even a cricket net practice pitch. So honestly, whatever amenity you can imagine in an expensive luxury project, you will find it here. Another important part is the builder's track record. They have already delivered a plotted development in Sector 4 south of Gurgaon by the name of Mayfair Golden Park, and that project has done very well. People who invested in that project at around 45,000 per square yard exited close to 1.5 lakh per square yard, which is around 3x returns. And more than the returns, the main thing is whatever they committed on paper, on RERA, and in the brochure, they have delivered exactly the same on the ground. You can literally go and see the project today. With this project as well, they are continuing the same approach: peaceful living, low density, and a lifestyle focused planning. Coming back to the project, the investment starts at just 1.30 CR and goes up to 1.80 CR. So if you are someone who's looking for a home that feels calm, well planned, and still gives you all the modern amenities, this project definitely deserves your attention. So this is it about the project in this video. If you want to know more about it, just WhatsApp us the word Sector 5 and we will get in touch with you. Till then, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and comment down your thoughts. This is Kushi signing out.